try hard.
Frozen solid. I don't want to start chipping it.
Oh dear. How's things looking up there, Mark?
I'm just considering changing the way I do my jib halyards where the block's attached. So I'm just lining up what lines up and where I can do it.
Well, boat is a bit disastrous.
A little bit, yeah. Pieces that I can use to make some hardware for at the top of the mast.
Yeah.
For the blocks for the jib halyards.
Nuts and bolts.
Yeah, random.
Random things. The books. What are some of your favorite books, Mark?
Rigger's Apprentice, Sailmaker's Apprentice, Sensible Cruising Designs, Herreshoff, and Small Sailing Craft, Elements of Yacht Design, Norman Skeen.
Some interesting boats in the yard here. This is Anne Marie. She's a big boat, big wooden boat. Our mushroom vent is made here in Lunenburg. How old do you think this vent is, Mark? Or any guesses?
Well, it could be 50 years old.
About 50 years old.
Maybe more, who knows?
Yeah.
We are taking the upholstery off of our seats, and we are going to make new cushions with the same fabric, use it over, and the cushions will be independent from the seat boards. We're going to put new foam in, good high density firm foam. We kind of did this in a bit of a rush leading up to our launch day. We just wanted to get it done and usable, and not really that happy with the way it works with the upholstery stapled to the boards. So that'll be one of our projects leading up to spring. Okay, just getting the zipper started so it's on there before I start sewing. And sticking it down so we can sew it. I'm trying something different here because they took it out of the machine to do this. Voila. wrestle this foam into here, and at first it actually seems like it's not going to be possible at all to get it in there, but you keep working it.
It sounds like it's ripping, but
It does at times.
and then it's quite firm foam too, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sure upholsterers have some good technique how to do this that we know nothing about. Wow. That looks... I don't know how you did it last time.
Not sure how I did it last time either. Went better than this.
Yeah. I think you're getting somewhere now. Theresa E. Launched in 1938, is a two-masted knockabout schooner. She was built to go fresh fishing, a method that preserves the fish on ice. And here she is, covered up. Theresa E. was the last schooner to go dory fishing from Lunenburg in May 1963. A small crew sailed from Newfoundland to get enough fishermen for one last trip to the banks. They were unsuccessful. Fishermen preferred to go aboard modern trawlers. This was Canada's first floating museum. Blue Nose is all covered up for the winter, but soon she'll be uncovered again. Bay.
Yeah, we got to tack our way up into here. A little bit breezy day, not too bad. Got everything up. too, we're kind of tacking back and forth.
Tack again. Just tacking back out so Mark can get this chain out. Now we'll head back in where we're going to anchor. Going to a different spot than originally planned. So here we are at our anchorage for the night. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.